People who stay confused will confuse you. Okay. Whether they are confused because they actually don't know what to, do about a situation or a thing or a person, or they are confused as to, you know, as to which person can give them best of their benefits. You are supposed to stay away from these confused people, okay, because they will confuse you to an extent that you will also get puzzled and not know as to what you want, in life or in any situation. So you should leave confusing people who are confused, or they act in confusing way with you. You are supposed to stay away from them and let them clear their confusion and come to you, or not to come to you. But if you are having somebody in your life, they are supposed to be clear about you. Okay, they are not supposed to waste your time. They can't have their cake and eat it too. Okay, and the avoidant do this all the time. They want to keep you in their life, but they do not want to give you the label or respect to you, while keeping you in their life. Okay, the avoidant are not confused, but they are somebody who want to have their cake and eat it too. They want to do all kinds of wrong things, and they have no problem in taking the wrong path to fulfill their desires or fulfill their needs and wants and what they want in their life or for themselves. They are the most greediest people on earth. Okay, they are very greedy because they only think about themselves. For them, it doesn't matter what path they choose. For them, they have no morality.